Most people don't think about this, but what you eat today could shape your brain's performance for years to come. From boosting your focus and memory, to protecting against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia, the right nutrients can be the key to unlocking your brain's full potential. But what nutrients are the most powerful for your brain health? Today we'll reveal the top 10 brain-boosting nutrients from food or supplements that can supercharge your mind and help you stay sharp, no matter your age. Plus, at the end of the video, one extra powerful nutrient to keep your brain at the top of its game. Welcome to Levitas. The brain is a complex organ that controls everything from memory and cognition to emotion and motor function. From boosting your focus and memory to protecting against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia, the right nutrients can be the key to unlocking your brain's full potential. But just like any other part of the body, it needs the right fuel to perform at its best. Without proper nutrition, the brain becomes vulnerable to oxidative stress, inflammation, and cell damage, all of which contribute to the development of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and dementia. Brain cells, or neurons, are especially sensitive to nutrient deficiencies, and over time, this can lead to the gradual deterioration of cognitive functions like memory, focus, and reasoning. There are nutrients like essential fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that play a critical role in protecting the brain from these conditions. They help reduce inflammation, promote blood flow to the brain, and support the production of neurotransmitters, the chemicals that allow brain cells to communicate effectively. By nourishing your brain with the right nutrients, you can not only improve day-to-day mental clarity, but also significantly reduce the risk of long-term brain degeneration. Now, let's dive into our question for today. What are the 10 best nutrients your brain needs to thrive? 1. DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid, is one of the most crucial nutrients for brain health. It makes up a large part of the brain structure, supporting cognitive function and memory. DHA is also known to protect against age-related mental decline and improve learning abilities. The best sources of DHA are fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. For those who don't eat fish, algae-based supplements offer a plant-based alternative. Aim for at least 1 gram of DHA per day for optimal brain performance. 2. Choline is essential for producing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that helps with memory and learning. It also plays a role in maintaining the structural integrity of brain cell membranes. Low levels of choline are associated with cognitive decline and mood disorders. You can find choline in foods like eggs, particularly the yolks, liver, and organic soybeans. The recommended daily intake for adults is around 450 to 1000 milligrams, depending on gender. 3. Vitamin B9, or folate, is critical for cognitive function, particularly in preventing brain atrophy, which is linked to Alzheimer's disease. Folate helps produce DNA and supports neurotransmitter function, which aids mood regulation and memory. Nutritional yeast and leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Brussels sprouts are excellent sources of folate. Adults should aim for around 400 micrograms daily. 4. Vitamin B12, or cobalamin, plays a key role in maintaining the health of nerve cells and supporting the production of myelin, the protective sheath around nerves. It's essential for cognitive function, and a deficiency can lead to memory loss and mental fog. B12 is primarily found in animal products such as beef, chicken, fish, and dairy. Vegetarians and vegans may use nutritional yeast and supplements. The daily recommended intake is 2.4 micrograms. 5. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is vital for energy production in the brain and plays a key role in nerve function. Thiamine deficiency has been linked to cognitive decline, especially in conditions like Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, which affects memory. Whole nutritional yeast, pork, and legumes are rich in B1, and adults should aim for at least 1.1 to 1.2 milligrams per day. 6. Magnesium is crucial for brain health because it helps regulate neurotransmitters that are responsible for sending signals throughout the brain and body. It's also been shown to improve mood, reduce anxiety, and enhance cognitive function. Leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and avocados are all excellent sources of magnesium. Adults should aim for around 300 to 420 milligrams of magnesium daily, depending on gender and age. 7. Lutein is a powerful antioxidant that's not only good for your eyes but also for your brain. It accumulates in the brain and has been shown to support cognitive functions like memory, learning, and problem solving. Lutein is found in colorful fruits and vegetables like kale, spinach, and bell peppers. Aim for about 6 mg per day to boost brain function. 8th, vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin, but its benefits go far beyond bone health. It plays a crucial role in brain health by reducing inflammation and promoting the growth of new neurons. Studies have linked low vitamin D levels to an increased risk of cognitive decline and dementia. While sunlight is the best source of vitamin D, you can also get it from foods like fatty fish and egg yolks. The daily recommendation depends on your blood levels, but this may also vary based on sun exposure and adequate hydration. Try 5,000 to 10,000 international units. 9. Protein is made up of amino acids, the building blocks for neurotransmitters that help with mood regulation, memory, and focus. Without adequate protein, your brain struggles to produce these essential chemicals, which can lead to cognitive decline. Beef, eggs, chicken, fish, and organic tofu are excellent sources of high-quality protein. The average adult should aim for at least 70 to 140 grams of protein per day, depending on age and activity level. 10. Iron is essential for transporting oxygen to the brain, which is critical for energy production and cognitive function. Low iron levels can lead to brain fog, fatigue, and difficulty concentrating. Foods rich in iron include liver, red meat, spinach, and lentils. For optimal brain health, aim for about 10 to 20 milligrams of iron per day, depending on gender and age. And our extra powerful nutrient. Lycopene, a powerful antioxidant found in tomatoes, watermelon, and pink grapefruit, has been shown to protect brain cells from oxidative damage. This antioxidant reduces inflammation and is linked to improved memory and cognitive function. Lycopene also supports cardiovascular health, which is directly tied to brain function, as good blood flow is essential for optimal brain performance. Aim for about 6 to 20 milligrams of lycopene per day to help safeguard your brain against oxidative stress. By ensuring your diet is rich in these key nutrients, you can optimize your brain performance, enhance memory, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Whether you're looking to stay sharp or protect your brain for the long term, these nutrients are your best defense. In conclusion, our brain health is deeply connected to the nutrients we consume, as the brain requires a range of essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fatty acids to function optimally. Inadequate nutrition leads to oxidative stress, inflammation, and neuronal damage, contributing to the development of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and all types of dementia. By providing the brain with key nutrients like DHA, choline, vitamins, antioxidants, and mineral like magnesium, we can support neurotransmitter production, protect nerve cells, and maintain proper blood flow to the brain. These nutrients help reduce inflammation, prevent cognitive decline, and protect against the gradual deterioration of memory and focus. Regular consumption of brain-boosting nutrients can significantly improve mental clarity, mood, and overall cognitive performance. Therefore, incorporating brain foods, or supplementing when necessary, is a valuable strategy to preserve brain health and reduce the risk of long-term neurological diseases. With the right food plan, you can keep your brain resilient, sharp, and functioning at its best throughout life. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.